Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing, review, and setup on my new Tabletop Propane Fire Pit. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and set it up and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and actually set it up. Everything is packed neatly and the instructions are really easy to follow. First, I attached the windproof glass panels around the burner. It's simple since the screws line up perfectly with the pre-drilled holes. These are thick and sturdy and they clip into place without any hassle. Once that was done, I poured the glass beads into the burner tray. They're a nice touch and spread the heat evenly while looking great when the fire is on. It all comes together in about 15 minutes and the table feels strong and ready for use. Everything else like the burner and hose come pre-assembled, so there's no extra work. The whole setup feels solid and well made, so you're ready to light it up in no time. So as you can see, the installation process is very simple. All the tools already came in here. They even sent a couple extra of them. So all you need to do is install these 4 screws with these pads on them, which is these and this little pad. So then you literally just stick that plastic on there like that. And then this part will push up against the glass and that's what's gonna hold it in place. But I did wanna also mention that it does come with the cover for it. Check this out. So once you're done with it, you literally seal this up. Just like that, and then you're good to go. But let's go ahead and actually go outside and test it out. All right, and this is what it looks like once it's on. Igniting it is super easy. Just turn the knob and press the ignition button. It lights up right away and the flame is adjustable so you can make it as low or as high as you want. The heat output is really impressive with 50,000 BTUs is enough to keep everyone warm even on cooler nights. The glass panel around the burner helps block the wind so the flame doesn't flicker or die down. Plus the 360-degree design means everyone around the table can enjoy the view of the fire. The materials feel solid and built to last. The table is powder coated to resist heat and weather, and the burner is stainless steel so it won't rust even if you leave it outside. The fire pit is perfect for outdoor use. It's lightweight enough to move around so you can set it up on your patio or even take it camping. The propane hose fits easily under tables with or without umbrella holes, so it works with a lot of different setups. I was surprised it does put out plenty of heat to keep you warm, and the flame height is easy to adjust to match the mood. Whether you're using it for family gatherings, a small party, or just relaxing outside, the fire pit is perfect addition to your outdoor space. It's easy to use, looks great, and keeps everyone cozy. So if you guys are looking for a new, easy to use, easy to assemble tabletop fire pit, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.